the lake.
Like
It's so serene.
it's even
What?
clear.
Oh,
It's crystal clear.
crystal clear. Nice. Try dipping your feet. No, I'm wearing a socks. Later. I will try later. Is it cold? Nice? Now I wanted to. Let's
I
try.
don't have shorts on. This morning I
Oh, nice.
not that deep.
It's not.
But there's a bridge.
Yeah.
You can go walk on the bridge. This is like swamp. Shrek. Shrek.
Swamp.
Oh my goodness. Eee.
Oh, it's getting colder. Look.
I want shorts on and then I'll come back. Okay, now just get some. I'll just change into shorts.
And then you'll come back?
Yeah.
We'll eat first.
I already ate.
We haven't. I haven't.
You.
We're going to the lake.
Minushka.
What's Minushka?
It's the name of my school. Isn't it?
Minushka? Where are we going?
2 Minushkas.
We're gonna walk 30 minutes.
Yeah. Yeah.
We're gonna walk 30 minutes.
Because the lake is right around the corner. That is a very nice long walk. This is a very long walk.
Look at the path. Look at the path to the washroom. There, they put a stone, so fancy, and that's the washroom.
I can I forgot to wear that.
Tita Fe.
I forgot. I forgot.
That's their campsite, and that's our campsite where we came from.
I forget to wear the yellow one.
Oh yeah,
I forgot.
we're supposed to be a matchy.
But with
This one, the one I'm wearing, she has a yellow one of this, but she's wearing a yellow but not the striped one. We're supposed to be. Oh, by the way, this was their gift. Thank you. This was mommy's and daddy's gift.
I gave you a rose.
Yeah, it's on my bedside table. Oh, it's full already. Oh, there. Do you want to go to the dog beach?
We're going to the sand. Yes, the dog beach. Sand.
This is how it looks like. I'm sitting here in the middle of the sand. So, this is just a lake. Kiche Manitou Lake. They call it Kiche Manitou Lake because we're here at Kiche Manitou Campground. That's how it looks like. That bridge there will connect to the dog river, or where the dog can swim. And here, this is my umbrella. This is the sand. That's the picnic area. You're gonna dip? Go! Dip your head! Your head now? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Nice? Is it nice? Akala mo malalim eh, biglang tumayo. Maganda yung CR nila dito. May isang CR. Ito yung CR sa kabilang side naman, yun yung shower. So yung washroom nila, this is for women. Ay, wait, balik na natin. So, pagbukas ko ng door, malaki siya. Ayan. Ayan. Trash can. Ito yung sa diaper. Ito nga lang yung yung salamin nila medyo madumi. Pero ayan. Ayan, sabon. Ayan, tatlong cubicle. Ito is pang malakihan. Yan, and then sa pang kailangan ng assistance. Maganda ang washroom nila, pero yung ibang campsite kasi walang flash. Walang flash, yung talagang straight to the ground pag iihi ka. Pero ito yung washroom malapit sa shower, pero may washroom din na malapit sa campsite namin. Papakita ko na lang sa inyo. So, ayan. Mamaya pakita ko sa inyo yung shower. So, ayan. Ito yung washroom pang women, and then punta tayo sa pang shower. Doon lang sa kabilang side. Medyo malapit lang to sa campsite namin sa campground. So, eto. Check. Sa shower room. Ayan, galing ako doon. Ayan yung shower room nila. Let's check. Ay. May nakalagay pa na. Ayan. Shower. Ayan yung shower nila. Uy, maganda. Ayan, sabit mo yung bag mo dito. If you need some assistance here, tas may upuan. May handle. Ayan yung shower nila. Yun nga lang, maghuhulog ka ng loonies or toonies. Depende sa minute. Tanong ko si Tit later if how many minutes yung loonies and toonies. Tas ayan, cold, hot, basic experience ko sa isang shower room sa Hekla naman. Paglagay ko ng barilan dito, dire-diretso ang lagay ng or ang buwas ng water from the shower. Labas na tayo, ang init. Ang init. Dito tayo sa may malilim. Ang init. Tapos ayan, may lagay silang bike rack para sa mga nagbabike. Hintayin lang natin si Tita Sel since kakatapos lang nilang mag-swim ni Clara. Talong natin kung ilang minutes yung loonies or toonies. And tapos merong mga event dito for August 2020. Ito. Yan, sunset hikes sayang next week. And then yung first week ng August, crime no crime. August 6, night hikes and stargazing. Uy, maganda to. Uy, sayang ng birthday ko. August 12, 9 p.m. to 11:30 p.m. Saan kayo? Spirit Sense Trailhead. So, Skink Safari, August 13. And then, itong Cradle Vane Homestead Tour. Ito sa amin, August 20. Join the Cradle Vane Homestead Heritage Committee for this special event. Parang gusto ko tuloy pumunta. Let's check if makakapunta. And then, all fired up. Campfire circle. Ayan lang. Tapos, ito may note sila for poison ivy. Don't move firewood. Protect Manitoba trees. Ayan, for park safety concern or resource violation, contact Park Patrol at 204-901-1559. Yan lang. Small bulletin board. Ayan na si Tit.
Tinignan mo ba?
Hindi po.
Maganda kasi may hot and cold siya.
Ano? Ay, yung sa shower?
Oo, may hot. Ang ganda.
Maganda. Ilang minutes? Akin na, titulungan kita.
Ito na lang. 2 minutes. Ewan ko pero matagal.
Magkano po inano nyo?
2.
$2?
Tapos may nakaigip na ka.
Nakaigip ka pa. $2 po?
Oo.
Isang tuni.
Oo.
Parang ang sarap
Meron
na.
pa. Tapos ang tagal ko pa dun. Talagang sinulit ko
Sinulit,
talaga.
inupos nyo po.
Oo, inubos ko. Grabe. Ang sarap.
Mukha nga po, ano yun, tinor ko yung video ko dun sa loob.
Maganda dito guys.
Maganda dito.
Super. Yeah.
Kiche Manitou. So, nasa 7. Ayan, ganyan yung mga itsura ng, ay, mamaya na lang, hindi pala sa amin to. Baka sabihin ko binibidyohan yung number na yun. Papakita ko na lang mamaya. Walang tao. Ayun, ganito itsura. 7. Ito.
Mali ito eh.
Ganyan yung itsura pag walang laman ang camp. Tapos, makikita nyo yung number ng camp. Ano po ba? Campsite? Campground? Campsite? Diyan, sa gilid. Ayan. Ayan yung camp mo. Tapos, number 9 yung campsite nyo. Doon yung makikita lahat. Ay, ganun. Lapit lang niya sa tubigan. Ganyan yung tubigan sa mga...
Kasi nga may malapit sa tubigan para hindi ka na lumayo.
Ang bigat ng bibit-bitin na tubig. Ayan. Ganyan na itsura. Aray. Ganyan yung itsura ng paglalakad. Focus natin. Ayaw na ma-focus.
Pinakita mo ba yung lake? Yung river?
Kanina titinan ako. Opo. Nakailang ikot ako ng camera. Ayan. Ayan. Kami ay camp. Sila Tita Fen, Bab, sa camp 15.
15. Tayo
Kami sa 16. Magkatapatan. Dito yung 15, doon yung 16. Pakita ko rin sa inyo mamaya.
next to the washroom. Napaka-convenient talaga.
Sabi ko nga, ang ganda ng washroom dito. Hindi katulad sa ibang campsite na diretso sa lupa yung baksa.
Oo, correct.
Oh my God.
Maganda nga facility kaya malaki yung review, yung rating sa review sa Maganda.
Sinerch niyo po bago
Kasi yung sa website nila tapos may mga, di ba may mga reviews doon?
Opo.
4.7 yata yun. Pinakamataas sa mga parks, sa mga campsite.
Ay,
Oo,
talaga?
4.7.
Ayun. Ay, medyo malapit na kami. Ayan yung washroom. Ang fancy ng daan papunta sa washroom. May mga stones. Oo. Ayan. So, ito. Ayan. Nandito. Ayan yung papunta sa lake.
Yeah, sa lake.
Sobrang lapit lang sa amin. Ito, sila Bab and Tita Fe.
Doon, ang sarap. Ang ganda, te. Ang layo. Hindi.
Malapit lang po.
Oo. Malapit lang.
Ayan, tapos, ayan, number 15 sila. Tapos dito naman sa kabilang side. Kasi, ang rule parang up to 6 person per campground. Dapat kasama yung isang pinsan ko si Benjo, kaso may work. So, hindi na kinancel kasi malulugi pag ika-cancel pa yung isang campground. Tapos, number 16. Tapos, ito yung itsura ng campground namin. Nauna na sila Tita Sel yesterday night. Tapos sumunod na lang kami because I still have work. Yan. So this is how the washroom near our campsite, which is there, looks like. I really like the walk path here. Good. I hope the other one is open because this one is used. So, oh, it's locked. So I'll show you how it looks like inside. This is how it looks like. Lock, out the trash can, the diaper tube, bowl. This is the mirror, sink. Pretty decent. Krista, hello. Tignan nyo yung line ng lakad. Sinadya nyo talagang ganito yung line ni
Oo, nakita
Crystal?
namin yun nung last na camping namin.
Dun.
Sa isang campers din.
Pwede nga, no? Crystal! Come! Come! Look at, oh, ang galing! Aww, ate girl. Say hi to the vlog. Hi, vlog! Say hi, vlog! You're a camper now, Crystal. You know that? You're a camper now? Nainitan. You feel hot? Yes, pag sumagot to. Nandyan lang sa likod namin yung lake. Rinig na yung mga ingay ng bata. Kanina konti pa yung tao, ngayon. Maganda kasi yung weather, mainit. Lahat ng nasa campsite ay nag-e-enjoy. Nandun na rin sila Clara at si Uncle, bumalik na ulit. Bukas ng maaga, tit, for sure maganda yung ano dyan.
Oo, alam mo maganda yung, kasi kanina ma-foggy.
Opo.
Sa lake, ang ganda.
Pumunta kayo, tit, kanina?
Si Clara, hindi na kami nakapunta kasi nagluluto ako, so si Clara ang pumunta. Tingnan lang niya.
Maganda pumunta po bukas ng maaga.
Kasi nandun yung sunrise eh. So makikita mo.
Ang ganda. Alam ko na gagawin bukas.
Oo.
Crystal, gusto mo mag-sunbathing? This is for you.
No.
Go here. Come. I know, I don't have food. Dinala ni Titong mat for Crystal. Pero ayaw ni Crystal.
Gusto niya lagi. Sit down.
Sit.
Down.
Sit.
Sit. Sit down.
Hindi siya mapakali kasi si Uncle and Tit si Uncle and Kuli nagsi-swimming. We're gonna walk Crystal. Ito yung swim area. Ito ata. Tama. Ayun, dog beach. Unsupervised. Yun ang supervised. Dito ang dog beach. Let's see. Kaso nananahol si Crystal. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Dog swim. And then... Ayan na! Si Crystal! First time niya, Tit? Ay! No, Crystal. No, Crystal.
You wanna swim? Wait,
I'll hold it. I'll hold it.
it's her first time, so don't push her. It's okay. Don't push her. Get the stick. Get the stick. That's a girl. Oh, give it to me. Give that stick to me. There. Go get the stick.
I want the stick.
Go get the stick.
I want the stick.
Nagulat siya. Ayaw na niya.
Go get the stick. Oh. Here. Get the stick. Nabigla siya ng lusindag siya.
Pwede kang mag-boating. Ayun, oh. Ayan. Nire-rent. Tapos, you'll pass by underneath this bridge. And then, hanggang doon. Meron nagbo-boating. Ayun, yung dalawa. Ayun. But we're gonna walk. We're gonna follow this map. Then, let's see where we will go. Going on a trip. Hey, on a trip. Maganda dito, every corner may washroom, sabi nga ni Kit. Oo nga, ngayon ko lang napansin. Kasi look.
Yeah, Amy's there.
I'm here! I'm here, Crystal. Let's go. And papunta sa, ba't may bonfire na picture?
What's your name? Crystal. Hi, Crystal. Hi. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's fine. Good girl. Aw, my shepherd too. Ah, you have one? Yeah.
Yun yung gusto ko dito sa Canada. Di ba, Tit?
Oo. Appreciate.
Oo.
Ano talaga yun?
Yung mga tao ngayon nandun sa lake, kaya walang mga tao dito sa picnic ground nila. Pine Fort. Bilihan ng mga ice cream. Ah, firewood. Indigo, boat rentals, ice, groceries. Ayan yung mga firewood. Ayan, may menu. Ayan yung mga price. Nagbebenta sila ng ice cream, chocolate, milkshake, sundaes, $5.99, flurries. Ah, they have flurries, $6.92. Ayan yung for rent. Hindi kaya nakakatakot, Tit? Nagganyan kami sa ano eh. Sa Vietnam. Kaso, may nagsasagwan para sa amin. Opo.
Yung kayo lang.
Hindi.
Ay, may kasama siyang bata.
Ang tapang nga niya.
Baby talaga, ano?
Ay, ang ganda. Ay, gusto niyo mag-paddle po. Exercise. Ang galing. Ayan, pwede ka mag-rent. Yung paddle and then the boat. Ganon. Ang galing din kasi pwede ka dito mag-winter activities. Ayan yung activities nila for winter. Wow. Ang galing. They do have a volleyball
Up here.
place where you can play
Maybe I can do it
volleyball. Hmm?
Let's do it with a rock.
And that's beside the... Is this a lake or a marsh? Or a marsh? I don't know.
It's a swamp.
Swamp?
It's Shrek's swamp.
Look there. This is nice.
It feels so satisfying.
Feels what?
Satisfying.
Okay, I'm gonna walk. Oh, nice.
It feels satisfying. Ew.
Ew, what's that?
Meat from Shrek.
What's that?
This is Shrek.
What's that? A hat?
Shrek's swamp.
Look at this. It's almost empty. Look at her. No. Look at this. It's almost empty.
Only this side is empty.
It's almost empty. It's so beautiful.
My head.
Everyone went home already or to their campsite.
Right now. I'm producing music. Just play. I come around, around,
Hello, hello.
around.
I'm sorry.
Don't be.
It's just the chemicals.
Stop thanking them.
Hello, hello.
Hi.
Look, it's so pretty. Ayan. It's dinner time. Cooking
time for
dinner. Yeah. That's Tita Fe. Tit. Uncle. Ooh.
And crystal clear.
Uncle is getting burned.
And crystal clear.
Crystal clear. Clara clear. Bap is on the other side.
And we are gonna do it.
At work. Look. Ah. Para saan to, Tit?
Iyan yung ano, Philly steak. You know Philly steak? You will put the steak on the bread, the big bread. And then you will put the vegetables and sauce.
On top.
I have a Thai sauce. Thai
Spicy?
pia sauce. Yeah, a bit
Oh.
spicy and
Nice.
yan, beef. Beef. Okay.
And
Beef marinated
Oh.
with the herbs and spices.
Uncle.
I think that's fine.
Uncle is burning. Literally and figuratively. In the sun.
After swimming, grilling.
Grilling. Oh,
Typical camping.
that's Bab. Bab's already here. There.
Teleported here. I don't know how he came back.
Telekinesis.
Still sleeping.
He's so tired. My goodness, we walked there and she poo. She swam.
Ata girl. She's tired and camera shy.
Yeah, she's very camera shy. Like
First time niya mag-swim.
Milky is
Good job.
Yuki? Oh, you're so cute. Look, look.
Hindi, mas mahangin kagabi. Oo, kagabi. Mahangin na yung alam mo na ano. Oo.
It's eating time. Let's
Ako mamaya yan ihigo.
this one. Of course, we love that.
Tapan mo parang isa.
Let's mushroom. Mushroom.
What do you want, Daddy? How much are you looking for?
Of course.
Ay, may mustard pa lang.
Onion. Spring onion. Nando's vegan. Creamy vegan dressing. Let's try. What did you put in yours?
Just sauce.
Just sauce? Thai peanut sauce. Ay. Yummy.
Ay, masarap.
Let's try to put some.
Ano nga yun?
Maglalagay nyo na Tita Fe. And of course, my favorite. Mustard. Put it like